Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2020. Looking at our homework, we have our units retake on Friday in math. We also have 30 minutes of MobyMax that is for each student. There's an extra credit assignment that is on Google Classroom that is due on Friday. Regular math, we got practice 7.7, and our Chapter 7 test will be Thursday. For everyone else, for honors, your test is tomorrow. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, you need to complete and finish India Reading number 1, which is on your Chromebook. In language arts, we've got the Watsons Go to Birmingham, Journal 12 and 13. You're only writing one journal, and it's combined. And in literature, all right, we have beginning tomorrow, we have our test over the book Freedom Walkers, and hopefully you were able to go and take the AR test and get some points. Honors Lit, you got your strongly agree/disagree paragraph, which is also due tomorrow, and be prepared to share your stance. That is it for today, everyone. Have a fantastic Tuesday.